Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Geek Gizmos. I'm Mia, and today we're diving into the world of Linux. If you've ever thought about switching from Windows or Mac OS but felt overwhelmed by the options, this video is for you. I'll be breaking down the top 3 Linux distros for beginners so you can figure out which one is right for you. Let's get started. Distro 1, Ubuntu. First up is the most popular choice for beginners, Ubuntu. If you've heard of Linux, you've probably heard of Ubuntu. It's known for its user-friendly interface and strong community support, which is perfect for anyone just starting out. Ubuntu is backed by Canonical, a company that ensures regular updates and security patches, so it's a stable choice. Plus, it has the largest library of software available in its repositories, meaning you'll find almost anything you need, from productivity tools to media players, with ease. If you're a complete newbie, Ubuntu is a great place to begin. Distro 2, Linux Mint. Next up is Linux Mint. If you're coming from Windows, this is the distro you'll probably feel most comfortable with. Mint offers a clean, familiar interface, and many people find it easier to transition to than Ubuntu. One of the things that makes Linux Mint great for beginners is that it comes with a lot of software pre-installed, including multimedia codecs, so you can start using it right out of the box without worrying about setting things up. It's based on Ubuntu, so you get access to the same huge library of apps. It's sleek, fast, and a fantastic option if you want something that just works. Distro 3, Zorin OS. Last but not least, we have Zorin OS. Zorin is specifically designed to feel like a more traditional operating system. You can choose layouts that mimic Windows or Mac OS, which makes it easier to get used to if you're not familiar with Linux. What sets Zorin apart is its light version, which is perfect for older computers or systems with low specs. If you have an old laptop gathering dust, Zorin OS could breathe new life into it. It's a solid choice for beginners who want a highly customizable and user-friendly experience. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. You don't have to commit to one Linux distro right away. Most distros offer a live USB version, meaning you can run it directly from a USB stick without installing anything on your computer. It's a great way to test them out before you make your final choice. And there you have it. 3 beginner-friendly Linux distros that make switching from Windows or Mac OS a breeze. Whether you choose Ubuntu, Linux Mint, or Zorin OS, you're stepping into a world of open-source freedom. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment with any questions, and subscribe to Geek Gizmos for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.